Welcome to this technical guide on the laptop. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if you're watching this, it's likely that your laptop screen is cracked and you can't see anything. This can happen due to accidental falls, pressure on the screen, or even temperature changes. If this issue isn't resolved promptly, it can lead to further damage, affecting the internal components and possibly making repairs more complicated and expensive. To fix this, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a replacement screen specific to your laptop model, and some adhesive tape. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Open the laptop carefully and locate the screws around the screen bezel. These are usually on the sides and top. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry off the bezel surrounding the screen. Be cautious and take your time to avoid damaging any clips that may hold it in place. After removing the bezel, you will see the screen assembly. Check for any screws securing the screen itself. These are typically found on the corners. Remove these screws and gently tilt the screen forward. You will now see the cable connecting the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it out of its socket. Once disconnected, take your new screen and connect the cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's seated properly to avoid any display issues. After that, secure the new screen with the screws you previously removed. Before reattaching the bezel, it's good practice to power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything looks good, carefully snap the bezel back into place, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, replace the screws around the bezel to secure it tightly. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a laptop case for protection during transport. Avoid placing heavy items on top of your laptop, and be mindful of where you place it to avoid accidental knocks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.